Hi, I'm Debbie Field, and I am the CEO and owner of Madam Stitch. Oh, there's so much, but I think the thing that I love the most is it's crochet designers and crochet product sellers who all support each other in making the most out of our businesses. We exchange ideas, we give hurrahs when it's warranted. I think it's just one of the most encouraging environments I've been in, and really necessary for me for when I was starting my business. I think a lot of people don't understand that crochet can be a business. It's thought of as so much of a hobby that it's hard for people to understand that it's actually a business. So Crochetpreneur combines the hobby part of it with the entrepreneur part of it and allows us all to grow our businesses. Well, originally I started Madam Stitch as just designing patterns and trying to sell them, and could never figure out why I wasn't making any money. I had a friend, my best friend, who would ask me continually, well, is it profitable? And I would hem and haw. In the last couple of years since joining CBA, I've been able to say, yes, it's profitable. The biggest change I've seen is that I've been able to broaden what I'm able to offer. I know who my ideal customer is, and I know how to talk to them. And so those are my email subscribers that email me regularly to tell me what they like about what we're doing. Just this last week, they wished me happy birthday. So it's created this community around me that I didn't have before. Well, I have to say, the Mastermind group has been the most amazing experience I've ever had. A little confession, when I saw the announcement, I thought, well, I would love to take part in this, but my business is too new. I don't have a lot going on. It's probably for people who are a lot farther along in their businesses. But on a whim, I decided to apply, thinking I wasn't going to hear anything. And then sure enough, that email came through, and I was just elated. And I've met an amazing group of friends, first of all, of crochet designers who have vastly different businesses from mine, but we share ideas. I think it's been the single most driver of my business since I started it. It's a fabulous way to create an island of people who support you intimately when you have a tendency to feel like you're out there all on your own. I've always had the idea that I was going to have this business as an alternative when I retired from my first career. When I finally did decide to retire, I still felt like I was flailing a little bit. I didn't really have a direction. I didn't know what Madam Stitch should look like. When I saw the announcement and read the description, I knew I had to join CBA, because that would give me the resources I needed. Pam's encouragement is just incredible. It seems like every week she's writing the blog post or the email right to me. So CBA has given me so many resources to use, and a great community of crochet designers and product sellers. Well, first of all, know that you really want to invest in it, because this isn't just money that you put out there and expect the results without doing the hard work. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of grit. It's a lot of trying things, and some of it works, some of it doesn't. But if you're thinking about starting a business, or you have one and you need the kick in the butt to get it going, CBA is the way to go, because it gives you, as I said, all of the resources that you need, all down to the spreadsheets, down to these are the steps that you follow. It's a blueprint for your crochet business that you won't regret.